In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Notion Gallery View step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. Gallery View is one of the most powerful ways to visually organize content in Notion, and it's perfect for things like project boards, content calendars, portfolios, mood boards, and much more. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create a gallery view, add pages, customize covers, and make it look clean and professional. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Notion tutorials like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Notion and go to the page where you want to create your gallery view. This can be a brand new page or an existing page where you want to add a visual database. Once you're on the page, click anywhere on the page and type /gallery view. As you type, Notion will show you different database options. From the list, click on Gallery View. Notion will now ask how you want to create the gallery. Go ahead and click on New Empty Database. This creates a fresh gallery database that you can fully customize. Once the gallery loads, you'll see a new page card. Click on New Page to create your first gallery item. This opens a new page inside the gallery. At the top, rename this page to whatever you want. This name will appear as the title of the card in your gallery view. Next, click on Add Cover at the top of the page. Adding a cover is what makes Gallery View look visually appealing. After clicking Add Cover, click on Change Cover. From here, you can choose from Notion's built-in gallery of images, upload your own image, or paste an image link. Select a cover that matches your project or style. Once you choose a cover, go back to the gallery view and you'll see the image displayed on the card. This is what gives Gallery View its visual layout. Now let's add another item. Go back to the gallery and click on New Page again. Rename this second page however you like, depending on what you're organizing. Just like before, click on Add Cover, then Change Cover, and choose a beautiful cover image. Repeat this process for as many pages as you want in your gallery. Each page becomes its own card, and you can click into any card to add text, images, checklists, or anything else you need inside that page. This makes Gallery View perfect for organizing ideas visually while still having detailed content inside each card. You can also rearrange cards by simply clicking and dragging them into any order you want. This is great for prioritizing projects or planning workflows. Once you've added your pages and covers, your Notion Gallery View is ready to use. You now have a clean, visual database that's easy to manage and looks great. Gallery View is one of the best ways to make your Notion workspace more intuitive and enjoyable to use. And that's how you use Notion Gallery View step by step. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Notion tips, tutorials, and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.